हेलो टीम ये काली काली आंखें डरा के बड़ा मजा आया है कि बहुत एंजाइटी। नाखून मैंने देखो सारे, मैं चबाती नहीं हूँ वैसे, काट लिए हैं मैंने डर के मारे।
Hello, hi, how are you?
Hi,
वेरी
Pooja.
वेल।
Hi,
That's a
Pooja.
compliment. It's a backhanded compliment.
वही तो, एंड ताहिर अभी मेरा हैबिट ऑफ मीटिंग ईच अदर, बट उससे पहले आंचल, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेस विद यू एट ऑल। आपसे तो दूर रहना चाहिए कि पता नहीं कुछ कह दिया तो उल्टे पड़ गए।
That's such a compliment, Pooja. I'm sure after this interview you'll have a different take on me as a person, but Purva is like, thank you. I don't have words.
I don't want to meet Purva. I don't want to meet her. दूर दूर से। So now coming to Tahir, as he said, this time he's got to romance women, but the kind of Chakravyu he is in, I don't think any man wants to be in that position. And Tahir, when they came to you with Vikrant, there is a dichotomy in him, but later you understand what he's all about. How did you read this character? And did you understand where he's coming from?
Yeah, I absolutely did. And to understand him, I think what was important for me was to understand what matters to him, what makes Vikrant's world. And for me, those things that were important to him were the absolute raw basics of life. He was in love with a girl. He wants to live in a town of his dreams, have a small house, have a small car, have a small dog, and just have a dream life. And everything, of course, goes upside down when another woman falls in love with him. And what makes it dicey is the power structure that backs her. And for me, what made Vikrant interesting is that he's an ordinary boy put in these extraordinary circumstances, and it's really a study of human nature, of किस हद तक हम जो चीजें हमारी जिंदगी में मायने रखते हैं उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हम जा सकते हैं if those things are threatened.
Absolutely. And श्वेता, मुझे तो लगा गोलू की तरह बंदूक उठा दोगी, वो नहीं हुआ यार. Could you relate to Shikha at any level?
So that was the challenge, and that is what attracted me towards Ye Kali Kali Aankhein. Of course, besides the script and the people who were making it, कि मन करता है जब डरना था और जब प्यार में अपने आप को खो देना था. So it was very different from the rest of the characters, but I found so much strength in her, and I think she's just, I really think most of my characters are better humans than I am, and the way she feels about the person she loves and how passionately she thinks and how she puts everybody else before her, मतलब चाहे वो विक्रांत हो या parents हो, family हो. So there was a lot to learn from her, लेकिन थोड़ा मुश्किल हुआ था initially to accept that, but जब किया तो बहुत मजा आया.
And now coming to Purva, I mean, this is a role any actor would be, because it's basically getting into your deepest, darkest side, and so obsessive to that extent that even when he's rejecting her, she is obsessed that she wants him. So, Anchal, what was that like for you?
I have honestly enjoyed playing Purva every bit. I mean, I would love to play her even now for that matter, because I have enjoyed that character. It has, freed me and liberated me also as a person, and, made me realize that to desire for things that you like, it's, obviously Purva goes like to another extent, but as a human being, it's okay to express and to say it loud that, this is what I desire and this is what I want. So, it's been
coming,
experience.
I'm sure. Now coming to the director of the show, where, see, Ye Kali Kali Aankhein, because again, now going back to this popular 90s number from Shah Rukh Khan, but it also reminded me of Dar, Anjam, Bazigar, all the times that Shah Rukh Khan played the negative, the anti-hero, and then also little shades of Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, which I could see in Vikrant. He wanted to do this Jhaji de apni zindagi with Shikha, but wo बेचारे के साथ हुआ नहीं. So what King Khan, I'm sure he wanted to do that, हुआ नहीं बेचारे का. So हम और ज़्यादा नहीं बताना चाहती हूँ मैं, because then लोग क्या देखेंगे. And so tell me, was this somewhere taken a bit from this, because it has a very 90s feel, this show.
Actually the song is very 90s और वो क्योंकि बहुत पॉपुलर है और मेरे को बिल्कुल वो जैसे मैं लिख रहा था उस टाइम मेरे को वही एक गाना इस शो के लिए फिट हुआ. वरना मैं थोड़ा और 90 से पहले का हूँ
So am I. So am I. So am I. So am I. 70s के दशक है.
So मैं 70s और 80s का हूँ, तो और इसलिए मुझे ये विजय आनंद एंड सलीम जावेद साहब का हेविली अभी भी बहुत बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस है. आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ दिस. तो उनकी पिक्चरें देख देख के कैसे एक आदमी अपने एक तो वो बहुत सेंटर्ड शोज और बहुत फोकस्ड फिल्में लिखते हैं, तो और उसमें सब मसाला होता है. तो वो उस तरीके से एक्चुअली वो वहां इट्स अ ट्रिब्यूट एंड होमाज टू दैट ईरा. And then when even in this, the thrillers and the in the 90s, actually I haven't seen most of the films जो आपने बताई हैं. Of course, बाजीगर देखिए. It's one of my favorite films because it's a tough film. Shah Rukh goes all wrong, but you feel still root for him. You know, तो जब मैं एक बार सोच रहा था कि एक बार कि यार कौन सी फिल्म थी जिसमें कि एक आदमी is pushed beyond his limit. So तब मुझे इसका याद आया. और खैर ये काली काली आंखें तो सुनते ही आपको मसाला नजर आता है.
So, and it's totally, that's what I meant, because it had a very 90s vibe and it has everything. But the interesting thing is to all of you is usually in the narratives what Tahir goes through is usually what the woman goes through. She is the one who is forced. She is the one who is abducted. Here it was happening with him.
Yeah, that's the fun actually, and that was intentional. क्योंकि आदमी को बड़ा गुरूर होता है कि भाई हम जो कर सकते हैं वो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जब वो पासा पलटता है तब क्या होता है वो देखने में थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग था. So that's why this one.
Even as a character, and you're so right, I feel like romantic triangles as a theme are not something new. It's been explored since the beginning of time. But over here, it was a challenge where you're doing a romantic drama where you're passionately in love with one person and another person is passionately, obsessively in love with you. And Siddharth sir puts this very well, where he says, like, we know how everyone feels when a power structure hates you or is after you, but what do you do when a power structure loves you? And they're literally stifling you with love. And that was very interesting, where even the weapon that is being used, it's a meaty churi, like they say. It's like, it's being given to you sugar coated, but it's poison.
Absolutely, and she's making you naturally dance to her tunes quite literally. So both the ladies, I want to ask you, Shweta, aapke liye what was exciting about this particular character?
It was
and the script. Talking about the script as well.
Script तो एक ये था कि when I started reading, I just wanted to know what happens to the story and also to all the characters, because especially in OTT, सबको space मिलता है, सबको time मिलता है वो layers explore करने. And even as an audience, what I love is when people keep coming, even if you might have your favorites and you're following the primary characters, लेकिन जब कुछ characters आते हैं ना, तो आप वो excitement होता है कि oh wow, ये वापस आ गया. So उनकी कहानी में क्या क्या हो रहा था, and also the whole idea of love, and where one is ready to kill for love and the other is ready to die in love. So that for me was very important, and generally I've not, with all my other characters, I've not explored love as a theme as much. So that is what I wanted to do with this. एक shade card of सारे emotions, खुशी से लेके extreme sadness.
मुझे तो लग रहा था बंदूक उठा लेगी, मगर do you relate to her? Do you relate to Shikha at any level?
No, Shikha and I are very, very, very different. I like my real life to be as simple as possible, which is why I get drawn.
No Purvas.
Purvas तो तूने शिखा की भी जो मतलब इतना दुख है, इतना मतलब you found somebody that you love, and the thing is that you can't be together because of somebody else. It's not like हमारी कोई लड़ाई हो गई है या फिर parents को issue है. Life is sorted and life is going in a very good direction, how we have planned, right to the dog that we are going to have. And then there's a thunderstorm and then आपकी life आपके control में ही नहीं है. So what do you do? आप एक तरफ कहीं घर पे रह रहे हो, किसी और के घर में रह रहे हो. Anyway, without giving any spoilers, but the thing is that the whole twist and turn, and I keep wondering now that if Shikha had to meet Purva, if they came face to face, what would happen?
Exactly, and I want to ask Purva, who's playing Purva, are you anything like Purva? Would you go to these limits This
No, and
craziness. I know we all want to have that one person, but itni had, behad kar di.
right. Thank you so much, first of all. I think that is what is interesting about this character, because you know हम लोग सब बहुत कुछ करना चाहते हैं लेकिन कुछ कर नहीं पाते, क्योंकि एक तो हमारी वो पॉलिटिकल बैकिंग नहीं होती है, और सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट वो कहते हैं ना पंजाबी में जिगरा नहीं होता है, you know. It's very difficult to be so honest, courageous, and be okay with your flaws, and you know, be like, yeah, I'm here, I am, and this is what I want. अब करो जो मैं चाहती हूँ. तो since I am not like in real life, तो मुझे ये पढ़ते हुए कैरेक्टर इतना मतलब वो इंस्पायर कर रहा था that you know I felt so powerful reading it. Obviously, I know no.
She scared me.
So I think that's a compliment. I, you know, when you say this,
Yeah.
it's scary. It's a compliment because क्योंकि मुझे भी शुरू में I had those confidence issues of you know really pulling it off, but I'm glad it happened thanks to Siddharth sir, and I really hope that you know people also feel the same joy while I felt while I
Absolutely.
was performing this character.
Coming to Vikrant, imagine ताहिर मैं आपको विक्रांत बोल रही हूँ, आप विक्रांत बन गए हो मेरे लिए.
That's
Wow.
a ticket sign.
Oh,
That's
that's
the best compliment.
Literally, I wanted to shake him in some scenes. Like, come on, man, see through it. Why are you telling her everything? Literally, you know, reaching out into the scene, saying, "Oh, hota hai." As an audience, I'm sure you also, when your audience go through it, like, come on, don't say it. You know, and that's the beauty, I think, of it, cinema, is that you get so involved in it. So, विक्रांत का डायलॉग है वो है, आशिक भी हूँ, कातिल भी हूँ, सबके दिलों में मैं, you know, वो हूँ, शरीफ हूँ. So, I mean, did you relate to him, and what would you actually do if you were caught in a position with a Purva around you? What would you do personally?
What would I do personally? Wow. So even as Vikrant, you're saying, what would I do personally in life?
What would you do as Tahir, and also as Vikrant? I'm just saying as Vikrant, I wanted to tell him, don't trust her, don't trust her. So, I mean, I'm sure, were you
So
also
sweet.
conflicted
Yeah,
with this
yeah.
character?
No,
You know, when he came
absolutely,
to
and
you.
I think that was the beauty is that that it's not like you're watching an innocent boy in an ordinary circumstance in the first episode, and then all of a sudden he's a James Bond in the second episode. He stays authentic to where he comes from. Even the way he's dealing with the crisis, the conflict, all the action that's taken around is like what his upbringing is. He just never expected to be in the middle of this firestorm, and I think that is conflicting as a viewer. It was conflicting even as Tahir playing it, because I am used to playing very different characters in terms of my, like, you know, I remember how much there was one particular scene where I was given such a small gun, you know, in the scene. And I think, sir, I don't know if you remember, but in Ladakh, I came to you about 4 times and said, sir, please, can the gun be slightly bigger? Can the gun be slightly bigger? Just because there are like, it's a spoiler of what's happening in the scene, but the circumstance demanded that perhaps the kind of things that Vikrant has is a little more. But yes, I went through a lot of those moments of, I wish I could have been doing something else, but it's written in this particular way. And what would I do personally if a real Purva came up in my life? I would pray, because that is the only thing that can save you.
I think honestly answering that, you know, anybody would do what Vikrant did. Honestly.
आप बताओ, who was Purva's inspiration? I mean, you have seen Urmila Matondkar in that Pyar Tune Kya Kiya. You have seen those obsessive, but Sito is another level.
Actually, for me, Purva is never dark. Purva is never black. Purva is from a power structure where she can afford to. She falls in love when she's in the 4th standard. So she wants this guy. मतलब ये तो उसका यही है कि एक हद तक वो चली जाती है उसके पीछे. मतलब उसको चाहिए था तो 4 लोग उठा के ले आते और उसको अपने उसके पास रख देते. इतनी तो पावर है. But she wants him to fall in love, and she's in love with him. She will not share it. That's the whole problem. तो इंस्पिरेशन तो ऐसा तो क्या है कि आप अपने ही अंदर
किसी को मिले हो क्या आपके साथ कोई पूर्वा थी जिसने
नहीं एक्चुअली जैसे कि जब सोचा था ना तो उसी तरह सोचा था कि अगर पावर स्ट्रक्चर के साथ आप दुश्मनी करोगे तो आपका बैंड बच जाएगा। लेकिन अगर वो आपसे प्यार करने लगे तो आपका क्या हशर होगा वो देखना चाहिए। तो
Absolutely.
वो
That's what
इसलिए
this
सोचा था कि क्या होगा, मोहब्बत थोड़ी
कईयों की
महंगी पड़ गई इनको।
totally कईयों की दोस्ती और दुश्मनी दोनों महंगी पड़ जाती हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
But as you know, three creative people and talented people, and so you as a creator also are showcasing talent. Are you sometimes as the actor and viewer, do you get conflicted also when you are doing shows? Like sometimes you just have to play a part, but as a viewer, does the viewer aspect also come in? Is there a conflict ever?
A conflict with the kind of part it is?
Yeah, part it is, or the kind of story. Sometimes at the end of the day, you also are viewers, but you also are creators. You're doing something that's come. Do you have a clash of ideology of you as a person? How does that work?
No, really. When it comes to being a performer, you're picking a script because it is larger than life. It is so far away from who you are as a person. And as long as it follows the template of what an entertainer and what a piece of fiction is supposed to do within the bounds of that world, it's what the part asks for. And one of the things that you learn in acting school is sort of 101 is never judge your character. So if Vikrant is doing something within the circumstance, that is the truth of that particular moment. Having said that, just following up your question, we live in such volatile times that on one end you've got at one end of the political spectrum you've got people who will get offended for one reason, and the other end you've got people who might get offended for another reason. And I really feel like when it comes to creating something, if you start thinking about how to step on eggshells and prevent yourself from those landmines, you're never going to be true to what you're doing. I'm talking about as an actor. Sir can talk about as a writer. I think somewhere down the line, you have to have tunnel vision on what you're trying to create.
I totally agree with that. Because आजकल एक ही word से हम सबको बहुत डर लगता है, वो जो cancel शब्द है. Suddenly it's become the most popular keyword and hashtag, but scares me. कुछ नहीं cancel करना हमको यहाँ पर. But Shweta, asking you also, if you see, you've recently been part of some very, very gritty narratives also. So अभी लगता है आपको कुछ हल्का फुल्का देना चाहिए. But personally, when you approach your characters, when characters come to you, what are you looking for?
To answer अभी जो ताहिर ने जैसे बोला कि there are a lot of things that I might not agree as Shweta, but my character might do. So, and I think that is the beauty about being an actor, that you have to expand and you have to explore. आप अपने पॉन्ड में नहीं रह सकते हो. आपका सही गलत कैरेक्टर का सही गलत नहीं होता है. Having said that, like, but there are some things which, just for example, I don't have fast food. I'm against fast food or fairness schemes. But अगर मेरा character you have to look at the bigger picture. हाँ. कि हम ये क्यों दिखा रहे हैं? I think गलती वही है कि कई बार ना हम मुद्दा दूसरा पकड़ लेते हैं. जी. For example, violence, तो अरे गाली दे दी, violence दिखाया, अरे भाई पर गाली क्यों दे रहे हो? Violence क्यों दिखा रहे हो? That people don't understand. And in fact, I still remember, talking about another show, but there was, just to give an example, there was a scene in which my character picks up the phone and says, sex karoge hamare sath. And that obviously had to become a meme and everything, but I just felt so sad because I'm like, there are very few people who must have thought that, why did the character do that? And that is so heartbreaking because she has just seen somebody she loves kiss somebody. So it is more about, it's not about the physical act. It's so much जो कि ज़्यादा emotional होता है. But again, as actors, we have to understand that कि majority शायद समझे ना समझे वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. But we still have to be at it. And ये नवाज भाई ने मुझसे बात कही थी, which will always stay with me, कि actor का धर्म नहीं होना चाहिए, character का होना चाहिए. So
very well said. Very well said.
And we try to incorporate.
True. So Siddharth, आपसे पूछना है, what is most challenging as writers in times like this? And also in competitive times, because every day there is new content coming up, sub-original, everyone wants to break away from stereotypes and tropes and say something new. What is most challenging?
I think to stay excited, while writing it. You have to stay excited is very challenging because I start getting bored with my own stuff which I write and I say कि क्या लिखा है यार, क्या कर रहे हो. एक बार वरुण बड़ोला और मैं नरेट कर रहे थे एक दूसरे को, अगले दिन सुनाना था प्लेटफॉर्म को, हम खुद ही बोर हो गए.
कौन सा वाला सीन था बताओ जरा?
नहीं, ये पहला एपिसोड की स्क्रिप्ट जो थी, तब हम लोग, मैंने बोला नहीं यार ये तो नहीं है, दोबारा लिखते हैं। एंड द प्लेटफॉर्म यूज, तुम लिखते ही रहते हो, क्योंकि आजकल बोर्डम बहुत जल्दी हो जाती है। so I have to, I think, to keep oneself excited that, you know, okay, keep looking at newer things, keep exploring ideas, because everything is done to death. It's not done by you right now. So you can तो वो जो सबसे चैलेंजिंग पोर्शन ये है कि आप अपने आप को एक्साइट कीजिए, और ऑनेस्टली एक्साइट कीजिए, क्राफ्ट पे मत डिपेंड कीजिए। क्राफ्ट पे डिपेंड करेंगे ना तो वो क्राफ्टी होता है, आपको अंदर से एक्साइट करेगा तो आप वो पर्दे पे दिखा सकते हैं। तो वो एक्साइट करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है, स्पेशली इस उम्र में, तो थोड़ा और भी मुश्किल होता है।
उम्र में नहीं, उम्र जैसे भी हो, आजकल तो दैट्स द थिंग ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, वो हम सब are lost somewhere. Every day there is. But asking like all four of you, the actors now, I'm asking, I'm not going to ask the writer director, your favorite scene or the most difficult one for you in the movie. Let's not give out spoilers, but just tell us, like when you were like, oh my God.
Also, my favorite scene is Vikrant का एक scene है जिसमें वो रोने की कोशिश कर रहा है. That's what I'm going to say. And वो scene देखने के बाद literally I was like, Siddharth sir, मुझे भी एक ऐसा scene चाहिए. Because as a performer, it's so challenging, and he has done it so brilliantly. I feel so happy and proud because I remember many years back एक film का audition पता नहीं हमने क्या था नहीं क्या था, but वो meeting हुई थी ताहिर और मेरी. So I've known of Tahir since इतने time से, and now to see an entire series which is on your shoulder, which you are doing justice to in every scene, including जब dimple दिखाना होता है तो वो भी तरीके से होता है. So that scene for me, मैंने सोच भी लिया था scene कि ऐसा क्या होगा. मैंने सिद्धार्थ सर को वो भी suggest किया कि शिखा ऐसे करेगी season 2 में, मतलब अगर जब season 2 होगा
आने वाला है, मैंने ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोला, अब ऐसे जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. Thank you for this.
Netflix ये वाला काट लेना please, ये वाला
नहीं काटना चाहिए. And श्वेता, आपको पता नहीं मैं ताहिर को कब से जानती हूँ. So for me, so when I see him doing the work, he is so वो ज्यादा thumbs up हो जाता है. बहुत साल.
Thank you.
So yeah, Tahir, what about you? Which was your favorite? Because इसमें तो आपने little bit of shades of Mr. बच्चन भी जी लिए, शाहरुख खान भी बन गए.
अरे वाह, ये पता नहीं analogies कहाँ से आ रही है. हम मतलब हम विक्रांत की जिंदगी जीने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, पर पंजाब में कहते हैं आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर. But no, I mean क्योंकि श्वेता ने विक्रांत की सीन के बारे में बात करी, शिखा का मतलब I called her the high point actress because when कोई ऐसा मामूली सीन नहीं है मेरा शिखा के साथ. वो जब भी आती है या तो खिड़की से मैं लटक रहा होता हूँ या पानी में कूद रहा होता हूँ या पीछे बम फट रहे होते हैं. तो everything was a highlight reel of her scenes. But personally, my favorite one of hers, and there are glimpses of this in the trailer as well. Like in between a bus, she's crying. There's a breakdown that happens, and I remember the kind of environment that we had to shoot that scene, and it was incredibly hot. And it was also the kind of scene कि आप retakes नहीं दे सकते. So Siddharth sir was very kind too. I think we had 2 cameras covering that so that we didn't have to do it over and over. And I think 2 takes, and we managed to get it. And it was a very, very challenging scene. And what the audience doesn't realize is that वो जिस कारण के वजह से एक breakdown या एक बहुत emotional moment होता है, वो वाले जो scenes हैं, वो 2 महीने बाद shoot होंगे. और उसके पहले वाले scene हैं, वो मतलब किसी और शहर में scene होंगे. So that scene is like, it's pure imagination, and it's been so well done.
Absolutely. And yeah, Purva, आप बताओ, आपने सबको डराया, आपके लिए सबसे वाला.
So there are 2 particular scenes that I just got in my mind. एक तो there is this scene जिसमें I'm saying कि तुम्हारी smile अभी कितनी cute है. I'm not giving the what scene and where and everything obviously right now. So for that particular scene, I had prepared in my mind, मतलब I thought कि ये so and so time पे होगा, and I wanted to be well prepared for the whole chemistry, you know. And I had not met Tahir. I didn't know much about him, and we used to not really interact much during the shoot because, you know, he was completely immersed in his own character, and I was
डरा भी हुआ होगा, डरा भी हुआ होगा.
नहीं मैम, बट ही सीरियसली सो फोकस ना, उसको था कि मैं ऑफ स्क्रीन भी ना पूर्वा से बात ही नहीं करूंगा. ही डिडंट वांटेड टू नो मी एज आंचल बेसिकली, एंड आई टोटली रिस्पेक्ट दैट. So but I was getting a bit nervous because मुझे था कि मुझे तो अपनी chemistry और अपना passion, अपना love तो दिखाना है. So what do I do about it? So I used to ask a lot of questions about Tahir from Sir. And then I started to check his pictures and profiles and videos on Google, on YouTube, everything, to just have an idea that what does this
Wow.
guy really look like, and what is, I mean, the small things I wanted to, understand and really like them, So, so when I had to say this line that तुम्हारी smile अब भी कितनी cute है, it actually came from my heart because I really like his smile and he has a dimple. I really like people who have dimples.
ताहिर के डिम्पल्स की बहुत बात हो रही है यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
अरे मतलब पहली बार ऐसा काम किया जहाँ पे डिम्पल्स दिखा सकते हैं. तो मैं स्माइल ही नहीं किया मैंने 5 सालों में.
I know, and actually he's played characters like आप जैसे पूर्वा की तरह ना, he's played those characters. So for me also as an viewer, audience, I have to also realign with the fact like ताहिर in a romantic avatar. अब कल बहुत romance कर रहे हैं.
Ma'am, I honestly unlearned everything of Tahir's persona, personality I had seen before, because I didn't wanted to see that Vikrant in front of my eyes, So I have literally forgotten everything. I just wanted a fresh perspective of the guy I love, and uska naam hai Vikrant. So for that scene, जो बहुत ही sweet सा लगता है वो scene, but there was a lot of mental preparation that happened, and I really enjoyed getting into the shoes of Purva, because then फिर वो emotions true निकलती है. And दूसरे, I really love my scenes with Saurabh sir, because it's so important that father-daughter bond should come across very well, because there are not too many scenes together, but that bond should show that yes, they are a team. And the kind of input I had from Saurabh sir, and the way Siddharth sir, made things work out for us, in the scene, I think it just felt very good, because मुझे लगा था that I'm with my real father, he's backing me up, and we are together in a team working for my goals.
Oh, nice. And before I wrap up, हाँ बोलो.
कि एक जो सीन है ना जो विक्रांत और शिखा का है कि बोट पे है, वो कहती है कि लाइन मार रहे हो हम पे, तो वी वर परफॉर्मिंग, तो उसमें मेरी एक फ्रेंड भी है जो बोट पे है, तो मैंने देखा कि जब सीन हो गया, कटवट हो गया, तो वो ब्लश कर रही है. And then she said, वो कितने cute है ना, and I was like, wow, Vikrant is really working.
wow.
Yeah, बस अब देखना है कि विक्रांत ताहिर
ये बात मुझे सेट पे कोई नहीं बताता. बाद में पता लगता है 6 महीने बाद.
उस टाइम हम सबको 102 टेम्परेचर था विक्रांत.
वो भी सही बात है. Pooja, the making of this show is another show altogether, because it has been shot between 2 pandemics and 2 like lockdowns and night curfews, and it was another level of administrative challenge.
I could see that, because when he sees the newspapers, it's like it's all about the COVID cases, and here he's trying to see his own khabar. You got that vibe as well. You did. And now, since both the ladies have said that you were so much in your character, that is easy to switch on and off.
Honestly, this was the first time I'm doing something in long format where the shoot lasts. We were scheduled to shoot for 3 months, but because of delays, I think we went on for 6 months. It was 7 months. It was we shot for about 90 days, but spread over 7 months. So to hold on to a character that goes through so much emotional turmoil for 7 months, I remember by the end of it, I started feeling the weight of the character. And in fact, we were in Manali when the shoot finished, and a lot of the crew stayed on in Manali even after the shoot finished for 1 week. And a lot of them were hanging around with each other, but I just could not. Like, I just needed time to myself to like a cleanse from the system of like to try and get out of Vikrant. A lot of those members who are hanging out together are on this Zoom call right now. So.
But anyways, thank you so much. And before we go, since it's, I can say, an ode to Shah Rukh Khan in a way also, which is that one Shah Rukh Khan film that you would want to do? Aapne to bata diya hai, Bachchan Saab in Diwar is one of yours. And then I'm going to ask the ladies, in which Shah Rukh Khan film they want to be like romance.
Which
or whatever.
Shah Rukh Khan film would I want to do?
Yeah.
Or Kabhi
You
Haan
could
Kabhi
redo.
Na.
Wow, high five to that. All-time favorite Shah Rukh Khan
High five.
film. I think it's the best movie ever.
It's the best.
And-
It's a flawed hero who doesn't get the girl. Like, you know, it's and you still feel for him.
Absolutely. The bestest movie, which I tell Mr. Khan as well too. And Shweta and Anshul, which movie would you want to do?
Le gayi, dil le gayi.
You want to play Karishma Kapoor's character?
I don't know. Now that is very difficult actually. No, I think I
Okay,
want to play Madhuri because I want to dance to Are Re Are Ye Kya Hua.
Anshul, aap batao. You are anyways playing the Shah Rukh Khan of Dar and Anjam in this now.
Shah Rukh sir has always made us fall in love. You know, I think he has made we are in love with the idea of love because of Shah Rukh Khan.
He's an emotional writer.
Yeah.
He is.
But I'm going to choose the movie Swades because when I saw that movie, I was choked. You know,
Yeah,
I was
that's
so inspired and I was taken to another world. So Swades.
awesome. So anyways, looking forward to season 2. As what should I say? डराने के लिए, anxious और घबराहट देने के लिए शुक्रिया. ये बोलो.
प्यार की importance समझाने के लिए.
Entertain
जैसा-
होने के लिए.
Entertain होने के लिए.
Anyways, thank you so much. It's a good show, but वही है मैं लोगों को कहना चाहूंगी देखना, but दिल थाम.
दिल थाम के.
प्यार से देखो.
Thank you so much. All the very
Thank
best
you,
and
thank you,
wishing
Pooja.
all of you lots of luck. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye.